Hello, welcome to another video from the Southwest Modelers Collective. Today's model is the USS Gerald R. Ford, which is the new Ford class carrier from the US Navy. CVN 78 in 1:700 scale. And this is made by the Magic Factory, whoever they are. It's a lovely model. It's the best model packing wise I've come across. Comes with an A3 decal sheet, which also includes all the details for each individual aircraft. There's a single piece flight deck, highly detailed etching in it. Single piece hull, single piece waterline section, which allows you to build both. A full hull and a waterline section. Individual pieces for the ship, elevators and cranes, life rafts. Comes with 6 F-35 models, 4 F-18E single seat, 4 double seat, 2 2 Hawkeye surveillance aircraft, 2 Stingray refueling drones, which are new to me, the individual propellers, full page decal sheet for the carrier, decal sheet for the aircraft, small sheet of brass etch, and an instruction book with a history of the ship inside. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to leave us a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you wish. Goodbye.